short and to the point. The way that you change the transmission fluid on a 2007 to 2013 MDX is the same process as the 3rd Gen TL. That blue bolt right there, you just loosen that. That's a 17 millimeter. You just loosen that, okay? And then you go under here, under the car, you get a container. So what I do is I have a drain pan that tells you how many quarts is drained out. So I'll count how many quarts is drained out. Once I drain it, there go the bolt here. This is the drain bolt here. All you gotta do is use a regular 3/8 ratchet. The inside here, you just put it in here. It's the same process for the 4th Gen TL. It's the same process on the MDX because it's the same transmission as the 4th Gen TL. Well, the 2012 and up TLs, the 6-speed autos. So you just put this in here and then loosen it, and then I'm gonna catch back the video for you guys. Alright, so I broke the nut loose here. Like I said, turned it. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you're turning it this way to your left. Okay, so now took out the drain plug. I'm gonna take that drain plug out now. The top fill bolt is already loose. So right now, you see, that's just the transmission fluid draining out. So I'm gonna let that finish draining out the transmission fluid. And this right here is the drain plug magnet. So what it does is that it collects all the metal shavings from the transmission on to the plug. So all you have to do is just wipe this down. Showing you guys how easy it is. This is a washer on here, right here, but I don't have another. We don't have another washer to replace that, so we're just gonna reuse it. Okay. This is super easy. Anybody could do this. Okay. All you need is a 3/8 ratchet and some breaker bars. So this is finished draining out still. As long as this is finished draining out. Okay. Come back up top. Like you said, like I told you before, it tells you how many quarts have come out from the lines here. So right now it's showing only 3 quarts that have came out. Okay. Because it's right there, the 3-quart line. So the fill bolt up top, you just you gotta stand on the chair. So now the fill bolt up top, you just unscrew because I left it on loosely. This is the fill bolt. Okay, so right now that's letting air in so the transmission fluid can come out faster. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys. There's a lot of stuff. This is the funnel I'll be using to put transmission fluid into the MDX. So what I'm gonna do is line this up with the hole. As you can see, it's lined up with the hole. Okay. The exact amount that comes out of the transmission is the exact amount that I'll be putting back in the transmission. So the drain bolt is clean, no metal shavings. Fluid is coming out, still slowly. So once that's done, I'll just catch back the video for you guys. Alright, so the oil's finished draining out the transmission fluid. So now we'll put this to the side. Oh. Clean this off. Clean off the drain plug. Make sure it's as clean as possible. Clean up. Just wipe up what's around. Okay. So then you tighten back this down as tight as you can get it. Well, not as tight as you can get it, but put it like, I think it's like 36 foot-pounds of torque. Torque this in. So I'm gonna torque this down and then head up to the top and fill up the transmission. Oh, let me double check this. See how many quarts came out. As you can see here in the sun, let me get onto the light. It's about 3.5 quarts. About 3.5 quarts that came out, 3.5. So that's how much I'm gonna put back in. It's 3.5 quarts. Tighten this down, go back up top, and then I'll catch back the video for you guys. The drain plug is in, it's tight. Now I'm gonna head back up to the top. And put the transmission fluid in. One by one. So I'm not going to bore you guys with the whole watching me put in 3.5 quarts. But as you guys can see, the consistency and the color of the new transmission fluid compared to the old, it's a lot darker. Just wanted to point that out. As you guys can see, getting this long funnel is definitely worth it. I have the funnel in my Amazon store, so check it out. This funnel works great, especially on these Acuras where the transmission fill bolt is like really far down. So they have a measurement on the side of the bottle, so it's 800, so the half would be 400. So the last bottle you will put up to 400 in the transmission. Okay, so I'm gonna put the other 1.5 in, and then catch back the video for you guys. All right, so I put the 3.5 quarts in already. Gonna take out the funnel, put this to the side. Okay, now I got the transmission fill bolt with the washer on it. You can't really see too much, but I'm just gonna put this bolt back here on that. So I'm reaching down, putting the bolt in by hand. It's a 17 millimeter. Okay. Now I think this gets tightened down to about 40 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm gonna torque that down to 40 foot-pounds of torque, and then catch back the video for you guys. All right. So the bolt's in, it's torqued down, and that's it. Now you just start the car. And when you start it, you put the car through the gears. You put it in park, reverse, neutral, drive. You go through all the gears, and that's it. And you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace. Very simple, very easy. Anyone can do it.